We are going to review a platform called Trove. It's an investment platform. We're going to look at the cons and pros, and also we're going to look at the features of the app so that you get to know how the app really looks. Okay. Now, during the app installation, you will be asked to, you have to sign up with your email or phone. They'll send a verification actually code that you have to retrieve. You have to actually to do an income and trading experience. You can let them know about your funding source and investment experience. It's important that you have to consider verifying your ID before you actually do anything, because this is one of the reasons why people have a lot of complaints, as we're going to go to a few of the reviews that you're going to see on their Play Store. Okay. Most of the negative reviews are because people started using the app before actually doing the identity verification. And also within the app, you can actually do a risk. You can let them know about your risk tolerance. Okay, so that they can see, you can really set your risk tolerance so that you really don't suffer losses. This is something that you can also say you will do later if you are actually fast into this app. Okay. So we're going to look at the reviews, we're going to look at the features of this app, and we're going to really see if it's worth it to invest in this app. And you can have most of the things in this app, you will access them via the menu where there is balances. When you click there, you can actually find you can use your local currency. For example, I'm seeing UGX because based from Uganda. So it it can change depending on your currency. Or you can actually fund using the dollars. I prefer this, fund using the dollars. You can actually even send money to friends and family using this app. You can move and convert funds. You can withdraw your money from here. Now, as I've said, you should actually first do the verification before you start anything. Okay. Now, this app is actually good for people who wanted to plan for a better future through investments in local and foreign stock markets at your fingerprints. You can invest in many stocks and EFTs, but I want to emphasize making sure you have an international passport, because verification is going to be a bit stressful for you if you don't have a passport. So I believe the national ID may not really be able to work for your KYC. It has to be a passport. Now, in this app, they are going to ask you a lot of stuff: your mother's maiden names, next of kin, and all that stuff, your address, stuff like that. Some people find those things a bit irritating, but actually, I find them, I think, fine. Okay. And then the withdrawal process in this app is a bit slow, but it works. That's the most important thing. Actually, not only the withdrawal, but most of the things, even the KYC, when you look at the reviews, people say like, actually, this one, actually, I think it's the worst scenario. This one almost waited like 8 months for his documents to be accepted. Some people are waiting 3 to 5 working days for verification to be verified. So there's a bit, some features are a bit slow, but the good news is the Trove app is legit. It's non-scam, but expect some delays when you're trying to withdraw the money, and even actually sometimes when you're trying to deposit, there may be delays, but don't worry, it will eventually work. Okay. So let me know about what you think about the Trove app, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and bye bye.